Wade Wilson was a mercenary with a sharp wit and deadly skills, but his life took a dark turn when he was diagnosed with terminal cancer. Desperate for a cure, he volunteered for a secret government program, Weapon X, that promised to heal him. Instead, the experiment gave him a regenerative healing factor, making him nearly immortal, but leaving him horribly disfigured. Now, with a broken body and a shattered spirit, Wade became Deadpool, using his powers for mercenary work while hiding from the world. His only goal was revenge on the man responsible for his transformation, Ajax. Along the way, he met Vanessa, a woman who loved him despite his scars. But Wade pushed her away, feeling unworthy of her love. As Deadpool hunted Ajax, he began to realize that revenge wasn't the cure for his pain. What mattered more than anything was connection, the relationships he formed, especially with Vanessa. In the end, Deadpool learned that true healing came not from vengeance, but from accepting himself and finding love and meaning in the people around him. Despite his scars and chaotic nature, Deadpool found a sense of purpose. He was no longer just a man broken by his past. He was someone who could protect and fight for those he cared about, scars and all.